Alright guys, welcome back to another video of Sabri Motors. Today we're heading over to Coffee House in Schaumburg. We're meeting up with the boys. I think Robert's gonna ride passenger with me, so we'll see if he's down to come so he can record. I don't know how many guys are gonna be there, but I know there's gonna be F80s. This one kid I know, he has a nice E60 M5 with the Arcade Tunes boom tune. Shit spits fat flames. And then we got a W204 C63 coming. It's satin black, but it's the actual paint, like factory from Mercedes. We just got some fast cars tonight, so we're gonna have some fun, be safe. So I'll let you guys know when we're there. Where are we?
We're at Coffee House.
We're out here in Albania, recording video.
We got the M4 that looks stock as fuck, but it's not.
Stock. It's stock.
Pures, intakes, built header, everything, you name it. We got the stage 2 Boot Mod X5M, stage 1 F80, stock F80. Let's go say what's up to the guys. My boy Rob.
Bang, the copper. You are.
Hell yeah. Where is the Volv? Volv. What's up?
What the fuck is that, bro?
It's a camera.
What do you think, you're in LA or something? We're doing porno, bro. Porno, bro.
Imad.
The black
five.
Running good, man. Finally.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Some flames tonight?
Hella flames tonight.
Right off the shore.
You're gonna see a popcorn machine.
Oh yeah. Fresh? Yeah, you should run it. Fresh? You should run it.
But we're gonna wait for everyone to come, and then we're gonna head out onto 90, and we'll have some fun. So until then, I'll get some B-roll. Whoa, Yuri, rev it again! Oh shit.
Yuri!
Rev it again! Oh yeah. Anyone else? Oh, X5M's rowdy.
That thing sounds fucking good.
Oh my god, junker.
Junker. Certified junker mode.
Damn! Zemo's rod is about to... Whoa! Zemo's rod is about to fucking shoot out of his fucking block.
Fucking BMW space program for his fucking rods.
Are we dipping?
Right.
Alright boys, we're going on the highway now. Robert, you're recording, right?
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah. Alright, let's go.
What?
Hey baby, trying to get some of this? V10, power, something you don't got. No power, your shit's slow, slower than your grandpa.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
What the fuck
His shit says Pulse Hard though. And his other sticker says fucking it's not leaking oil, it's sweating power.
Yeah, that's what it is. Glowing or red, I guess.
Man, I have to catch up to you, Bob. Where the flames at, dude? Oh shit! What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? It's literally fucking, it's fire balls on upshifts. What the fuck? Look at this. That is shit so... What? He literally just does this the whole time?
Oh yeah.
boring, but that's so much fun. I low-key kind of jumped it though, but I thought he was gonna beat me, that's why. Come on, baby!
Wow, I honestly did not think that was gonna go that way. Yeah, that shit's fast as fuck.
Today, you know, pretty cool transition, I guess, right? So basically, we sent it on the highway last night. Robert did not record my roundabout, but it was pretty sick. Of course, no one got my roundabout drift when I do it, but it's okay. M6 handed the gap to some, like a M340, but that's about it. Gemo's X5M gapped my shit pretty bad. I can't cap. It made me want to go home. This vlog is over, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the videos, you know, do whatever. But until the next video, we're out.